In this lecture, we will learn about simple interest and compound interest. The formula for simple interest is interest equal to NPR divided by 100, where P is the amount invested, R is the percentage rate of interest, N number of years of interest. And the formula of compound interest is value of investment equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 to the power N, where P, R and N contains the same value described here. And if we want to know the value of investment in case of simple interest, this is P plus I. That means P multiplied by 1 plus NR divided by 100. While calculating compound interest, we cannot calculate the only interest. We can calculate the final value of the investment here. And while calculating simple interest, we can calculate the value of interest separately, and final value of investment we get it by adding the amount invested and the simple interest. What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest? In simple interest, the value increases at a simple rate. For example, 100 taka, after 1 year it will increase 2 taka, after 2 years it will increase 2 taka, after 3 years it will increase 2 taka. This is the case of simple interest. But what is the compound interest? If we think 2% interest, after 1 year it will become 102 taka. After 2 years it will become 102 multiplied by 1.02 taka. After 3 years it will become 102 multiplied by 1.02 into 1.02 taka. This is the case of compound interest, while the value increases in multiplicative order, and in simple interest the value increases in additive order. Now let's see an example to have a closer look to simple interest and compound interest. Here you are given an example. A person puts his $2,000 in a bank at a rate of 5%. How much money will he receive after 3 years if he invested in simple interest and if he invested in compound interest? So in simple interest, I equal to NPR divided by 100. That means N how many years? 3 years. P, what amount he invested? 2000. R, what is the percentage rate of interest? 5%. Divided by 100. $300. Therefore, the total value of investment equal to P plus I, 2000 plus 300, that means $2,300. Now, what about compound interest? The value of investment for compound interest is P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. This is the formula. We are putting the values. P here is $2,000, 1 plus R is 5 divided by 100 to the power N. How many years? 3 years. Equals to $2,315.25. This is our answer. So you can clearly see here that at same rate, the value of investment for compound interest is always greater than the simple interest.